Here is the cage fully built. We really, really love it. You can see the height here. It's got room for storage underneath. And I ended up buying extra little bowls to put on the side for him and little dowels. The door is very easy to open. Latches like that. Swings open very easily. As you can see here, we put in a bunch of toys. It did come with these ramps, which I think you could choose to use or not use. There's a little plate of food here. But you can see, and it does have the spot here if you wanted to use the ones that came with it, the plastic ones. And then it's got a whole, that's his downstairs playground. You can come down there or go up. And again, I put little perches and stuff up here. Everything though, like again, slides really easily. It's got these little side doors up here on the top, which are easy to open, and it kind of helps with hanging toys that are hard to get to. We've owned it for a few weeks now. We transitioned him from, he has another cage, the one we started with, which was only half the size. So this is like 2 of them stacked on top, and we use that for downstairs now. But yeah, my mom built it, and she's not a builder. I was out of town when it came, and she was able to put it all together. So there it is. We recommend.
When I come home, I'm gonna hide with you.
Give him a
where
new.
no one can find us.
This is very easy to set up, guys. And my birds love it. The original one was half the size of this, so.
I don't know whether it was love at first sight.
One of them is a chunker, but this Kyrie has been bouncing off the walls with all these new toys. And then there's Mina, who's also been enjoying it too. So I highly recommend if you guys have birds. Very, very easy to assemble. I did it by myself.
Safely.
How's this supposed to go together when this and this side doesn't, it's not all the way through, so I can't put anything through that. So that means that the bottom won't hold up the top of the cage. That means it's a piece of crap.
So it came in like this. Hi, mommy made fries.